Welcome to Budgetsew. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to modify a skirt pattern to include a kick pleat. You might be asking, what is a kick pleat? A kick pleat is an inverted pleat added to a narrow skirt, like a pencil skirt, that allows more freedom of movement. So if your skirt has a vent or a slit, you could add a kick pleat. The first kick pleat I ever sewed was a 1959 mccalls pattern, number 5136, and I'm going to use that as a guide for this video. So this pleat includes a 2-inch hem and is meant for skirts below the knee. But if your skirt is shorter than that, or you don't want to include a 2-inch hem, feel free to modify the length to suit your needs.
For this project, you will need a marker, a ruler, tape, paper scissors, a long sheet of paper, and the pattern you want to modify. To start, I measured 2.5 centimeters in from the edge of the page. From these marks, I drew a line 38 centimeters long. Later on, I used this line to attach the pleat to the pattern. Now don't stress or overthink adding a kick pleat. It's a lot easier than you think. I use this template all the time for my below the knee skirts, and they are not the same length. Please keep in mind that your kick pleat should be as long or longer than the vent in your skirt pattern. If the vent is longer than 38 centimeters, then draw this line longer. Next, I marked 2.5 centimeters down from the top of the line. From this mark, I drew a line 5.5 centimeters long, ensuring that this line was parallel to the top of the page. Next, at the bottom of the long line, I measured out 8.5 centimeters and made a mark. Now, if your page is longer than 38 centimeters, you will need to draw a line here. This line is the bottom of your kick pleat. Next, I drew a line joining the end of the 5.5 centimeter line at the top of the page with the 8.5 centimeter mark at the bottom of the page. This created an angled line. Then, I drew a line from the top of my short vertical line to the top of my long vertical line, which created a triangle. At the bottom of my kick pleat, I wrote down the 2-inch hem allowance, and along the longest side of the pleat, I wrote "fold along this line." After that, I cut it out. Remember, do not cut any interior lines like the base of the triangle or along the 38 centimeter line. My final step was to attach it to the pattern. I'm using mccalls 3341, version A, which was published in 2007. I purchased this pattern for $1.99 at Value Village. Up the bottom of the kick pleat with the bottom edge of the skirt pattern. As well, I lined up the 38 centimeter line of the pleat with the inside edge of the skirt pattern. I carefully taped it together, and it's ready to go. I can't wait to get started on my skirt. It's the perfect length for fall. In a future video, I'll show you how to sew a kick pleat, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Budgetsew and like this video to stay connected. See you next time!